Tornado warning! Yes! Tornado warning! Yes!
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for extreme northern Orange County in southeast New York until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 12 miles west of Montgomery.
Tornado warning!
Moving east at 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Walton and Gardnertown. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds over 70 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Orange County, New York.
Yes!
6772. When you can do so safely. Repeating, a storm 527 remains in 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania.
Tornado warning, hold on.
High, Northampton.
Hold on. Doubleheader! Yes! Right back.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for extreme northern Orange County in southeast New York until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 12 miles west of Montgomery, where you're moving toward, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning are not limited to Walton and Gardnertown. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail and destructive straight-line winds over 70 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Westchester County in southeast New York, Bergen County in to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Rockland County in southeast New York, Putnam County in southeast New York, until 7:15 p.m. Lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Orange County, 70 miles per hour. These storms will in northwest Orange County, in northern New Jersey, and eastern Pennsylvania.
Triple header!
Structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Westchester County in southeast New York, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Rockland County in southeast New York. This storm, move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch 11 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. A tornado thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately in New York, Putnam, Rockland, and Westchester. Ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A severe addition to large hail and damaging winds continue America's #1 killers.
Hold on.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: in New Jersey, Virgin, Essex, and Passaic, and Rockland County, New York.